Hey friends, are you curious about what happens when you reset Windows? If yes, then please watch this video. I will guide you. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select recovery in the right pane and then select reset PC. But before that, let us understand what each and every of these options mean. The first option will keep your files, but it will keep your files, the personal files, but it will remove all apps and settings. So this is basically the simplest form of resetting Windows, that you have removed apps, external apps, and you have reset the settings and everything, but your personal files remain where they are. The next option is that you can remove everything, apps, file settings, everything, as if your computer is new. Okay, I'll select the second option. Now we have two options here. One is for cloud download and one is local reinstall. And I'll tell you in what situation you need to use what. Local reinstall does not need the internet connection. Cloud download needs the internet connection. If you are short on data, then cloud download is not a good option. But I'll tell you about the local reinstall thing. The local reinstall thing will reinstall the same copy which is already on your system. And if you are resetting your system because the image of the system is bad, then reinstalling the same copy will give the same problem. In that case, you will have to use the cloud download. One may ask, what if I want to retain the apps and settings? In that case, you can use the Windows backup app. Okay, and then you can make sure that all of these are backed up and then click on backup here. Once you click on backup, it will back up the apps and settings with your Microsoft account. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.